Hello everybody, here Patty Sanders with All Farmers Almanac, showing you how to pick this beautiful burst of joy and sunshine. It's spring and we are finding all the dandelion flowers that are so medicinal. It's one of those plants where we can use everything, the flower, the leaf, and in the fall we will use the roots. So come with me and continue picking. You can have your children going after. Remember, if there is a bee, you want to leave the bee there because they are having a party. And I don't want to pick where there is a bee. So come with me and pick some, about 50 or 100 of them. Beautiful. And you bend down and say thank you, thank you, thank you to nature for this beautiful burst of joy and sunshine. Once we bring our dandelion flowers home, we're gonna put them on a basket to make sure all the bugs have a chance to walk away. I also want to just get rid of the pieces of grass, anything to make sure that they are all just dandelion flowers. I feel them jump out, which is okay. We're gonna check them again, give them a chance to the bugs to walk away. This is great nourishment. Remember that dandelions is great nourishment for the ladybugs. The bees also love it, so we need to share the wealth of our earth with them as well. So just give them a chance. Once you have to give the bugs a chance to walk away, we're ready to pick our 6 flowers per pancake or more. 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're gonna saute these flowers in a little bit of butter, half a teaspoon or less or more. I love butter. It could be avocado oil or bacon too. So let's saute our flowers. Make sure that there's butter everywhere in the flour. Remember, dandelion is an anti-inflammatory. It's a great source of potassium. It's great in iron, very high in iron for people with anemia. And we can use the flower, we can use the leaves, and we can use the roots. So it is an amazing weed plant, medicinal plant that grows around the world. So we're ready for the pancake. So you use any pancake batter once you saute the flour. Okay, I use this pancake mix, but you can use your own. It could be gluten-free. It could be any pancake mix that you prefer. You can add also blueberries, you name it. You can use your imagination to add a lot more. I added cinnamon as well too. I love the cinnamon taste. But we're gonna just wait to turn it, and I will show you the picture on the other side when we see that golden pancake and all the dandelion flowers decorating it. This will use a, okay. Isn't this beautiful? Just want to show you the color. Look at that beautiful. You see the dandelion flowers right there, to know that they are everywhere in nature, and that we are so lucky to have incredible medicinal properties in this recipe. Now we're just going to continue cooking it. A little more, and I may just add a little more of butter. Okay, making sure that you pick your flowers not from the not so close to the road, but you're gonna pick these flowers where it has not been sprayed. Dandelions are everywhere, but we want to make sure that we get them from some of the purest place, which is in your own backyard, because you know that you have not sprayed. I went to my friend's house and the park, so a park that I know they never sprayed. So this is dandelion flower pancakes. They're just great. This one happens to be great, and it is a wonderful recipe. Thank you so much.